Everybody, Merrill here with Florida Lanai Curtains, Privacy on Demand. And we are here in Casselberry, Florida, North Orlando. And just want to show you, we just did this unique job. This is my first time actually doing a job like this. Customer wanted the curtains on the outside of the enclosure to block the water, make sure the water stayed completely out of the cage. Also to block that sun. You can see they've got a east-facing screened porch. So for the majority of the morning until mid to late afternoon, they've got full sun back here coming right into the house, right into the sitting area in the covered lanai. They're going to be able to close these curtains now, turn on the fan, turn on even a little outdoor AC, and make it a lot cooler and more comfortable in there. And also keep all their furniture and everything dry when those sideways driving rains come. That water is going to hit the curtains and go straight down to the ground, right into the drains. So fantastic solution recommended by the customer that we implemented for them using Privacy on Demand. Outdoor Sumbrella Marine Canvas outdoor curtains. And yeah, so if you're looking to block water, block the sun, create some shade, some privacy in your outdoor space, give us a call at 813-220-9444 or visit us at lanaicurtains.com. Have a great day.